All right, so I am going to do this problem one part at a time so that you can work it out and you can check yourself and compare how you're doing with what I'm doing so you can make sure you're on the right track. So, ordered pairs. I'll just pick like easy numbers because that'll make it easier to graph. I'm going to do the graph on one so that you can see it flip. And I'll just do one, I'll just do them in different colors. So, all right, so here is our original function. No, that's good. So it is going to flip around that. All right, so when we do it, it should flip to the other side. So oh. So if you notice, it flips. It's this far away on this side. It's about that far away. I wasn't quite accurate because I'm doing it by hand. And actually, this dotted line is where they should meet. So if I wanted to make my dotted line a little bit more precise, it would be more like that, is where they should cross on that dotted line. So this was the original function. And this is the inverse function. So it does flip, it just looks a little bit different. So the equation y equals and this one's a little bit different. Since we have 3 with the y, we actually have to divide this out as well. And when you do that, you just divide the whole side. So it's y equals x plus 7 over 3. So there's a little bit more to it, but that is the inverse. So this is what the inverse is, x plus 7 over 3. Oh. So when I do the composition, I'm going to use this and this. So those are the two I'm going to use over here for the composition. So the original f function is 3x minus 7. You do want to start giving yourself plenty of room, because when you take this out, you've got to put this in. So when I take that out, I have to put this inside, which is x plus 7 over 3. So that goes inside. Minus 7. So now when we work this out, this 3 and this 3. Oh. Cancel out. Multiply by 3, divide by 3, cancel. I'm left with x plus 7 minus 7. Those two cancel. And I'm left with x. All right, so then we go the other way. Go through, it now looks the other way, so there's my outside function. And we're putting in function f of x. So this one is right here. X plus 7 over 3. I take out the x and I put in this function, which is 3x minus 7. So then when you just work out the algebra, negative 7 and positive 7 cancel out. So that's 3x over 3. 3 divided by 3 cancels out. Oh, and we have x just like we want. So it's a little bit harder because we had a number out front, but it all works out. The point switch, the line switches, these are inverses, and this is y because you get x both times.